Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, we will be discussing about family. This is brought to you by Social Schooler. Let's start. What is family? A family is a group of people who are related to each other by birth, marriage, or adoption. It is a fundamental unit of society and plays an important role in shaping people's lives. The importance of family in society. Key functions of family. Socialization. Families teach norms, values, and cultural practices. Emotional support. Provides love, care, and emotional stability. Economic support. Families often serve as a primary economic unit, providing resources and shelter. Reproduction and care. Families are essential for nurturing and raising the next generation. Characteristics of family. Universality. Every society has some form of family structure. Emotional connection. Families thrive on love, care, and mutual support. Economic unit. Families pool their resources together and ensuring financial stability. Socialization. Family plays a key role in transmitting culture, values, and norms. Families regulate sexual norms and ensure social continuity through reproduction. Primary function. Reproduction. Families play a crucial role in sustaining society by giving birth to and nurturing children. Families offer both physical and emotional support, especially for children, the elderly, and individuals with disabilities. Emotional support. Families offer love, nurturing, and psychological stability to their members. Socialization. Families play a crucial role in teaching children and the norms, values, and behaviors of society. Social identity. Families provide individuals with a sense of identity, connection to their lineage, and rich heritage. Types of family. Nuclear family. Comprise two parents along with their children. Predominant in contemporary industrialized societies. Extended family. Encompasses additional family members like grandfathers or grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins who either live together or maintain strong connections, more common in rural or traditional communities. Roles in the family. Parental responsibilities involve care, protection, guidance, and discipline. Children acquire societal norms and values through their family experiences. Siblings offer companionship and emotional support. Changing role of the family. Traditional. Strong patriarchal structure, gender-based roles, extended family support. Modern. Increased diversity in family types, shared responsibilities, more fluid gender roles. Interaction with society. Families play a vital role in society by nurturing and socializing new generations. They are shaped by various social institutions including education, religion, and the economy. Family as a reflection of social change. Changes in family structures often reflect broader social trends such as urbanization, feminism, or economic shifts. Summary. The family is a fundamental institution that performs essential functions for individuals and society. It is diverse, evolving, and shaped by both tradition and modernity. Its structure and roles may vary. Its impact on socialization and emotional support remains constant. Thank you so much for today. I hope you learned something new and we'll see you again to our next video. Please don't forget to like, share to our YouTube channel. Bye-bye.